So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to Google Play Store and try to check for this update. So when you find this update, as you can see over here, what you have to do is to tap on this update. So tap over here to get the latest update of this app. Sometimes when this problem is you're facing a huge problem like this on your device, you have to try to update it by tapping on the update in the Google Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, an iOS device, just go to App Store and tap on the update. So after updating your device, what you have to do is to restart your device. So after restarting your device and it's still not working, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to search for the name of the app or the app in your phone menu or over here on your phone screen. Just use your finger to tap on it for some while, then tap on the app info, and you're going to be in the app info of the app. So as you can see, what you have to do is to tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. After that, go back and tap on permissions and make sure the camera permission is allowed and also the storage permission is also allowed. After that, tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Now when you tap on OK and it's not working, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache and clear the cache. So after clearing the cache, what you have to do is to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. Now go back and tap on your power button for some while, then tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.